Go Knights!
Feet moving, feet moving, feet moving, leave it good. Difference, I want to hear D, I want to hear us talking, okay? Talk which breakout we're going to do. Good, 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 drive the net. Let's get some movement out of here. I don't want to see too much up. Whichever way we go, let's create some space and attack the net. All right? So it goes 2 on 2, 3 on 2. I'll blow the whistle again. There'll be a puck up here. Now let's work on driving the wall, having some guy come through and support. Everybody on the bench. 2 sets out here. 1 set of green, 1 set of gray. Good, good, good. Move, move, move. Good. 3, right here. Play it, play it, play it. Hard. This way, and then you gap up and play them. Forwards are going straight to the net. Preview, you get a puck. You get to be creative on the second whistle. That was a good try. But right here, that's a hard pass or a hard play to make going across. This is where we can use that delay, maybe get some space, okay? We do something off the wall here, okay? Good, good. Gentlemen, again, hey, good practice today. Nice job. We have the next 15 minutes or so to ourselves out here. I still probably will take some guys down here and work on some different things. All right, so no one getting off the ice. We can do, on this side, we can do some rebound games and stuff with the goalies. But let's make sure we're still listening, paying attention if I call you guys down here.
Yep.
You're going to hold here. When you get that puck, you walk hard.
Yeah.
And you pass back. He comes through and shoots. Okay. Up here again, like we were talking about. So you're actually going to hold the blue line. You're going to be here. The puck comes up. Then you start to slide down here. All the tape and everything, get off the floor. Make sure everything's nice, neat, and organized. And let's be ready for a good first weekend here, gentlemen. All right? And then making a pass, and then we'll get the reverse going. Okay, coming out of the zone. Supports, and we're going to attack the zone just like we did here. And that's where the delay comes in, right? That's where the guy would come down late. Drive the net! Three! That way, goal, that way! Good, good! Good, good! Go in net! Go in net, Jesper! Let's go, quick, 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 quick! Start off that first D, he's hard on the puck. Center's coming through and helping, trying to create that turnover. Winger's patient there at the dot. Alexa, moving quicker than an option. Good, good. So we take a step,
Homework.
The camera's on. Mark's on 3 boys. 1, 2, 3. Nice!